Hi, I'm an agnostic theist. I have faith in maths and the numbers. Walk across the canopy of all the different belief systems and measure them against the numbers. Ancient Greeks, notably Pythagoras, Plato and Aristotle, developed complex views on the body and soul. The Pythagorean philosophy introduced the idea of a soul as an eternal divine entity distinct from the mortal body. Confucius and Taoists view the body and soul as an integrated holistic entity, rather than a separate dichotomy. In the Abrahamic religions such as Judaism, Christianism and Islamism, the body and soul, while intricately connected in life, are distinct entities. In the world of maths and science, we have a body. The body is made up of atoms or particles, and everything around us is made up of atoms or particles. Hence, we live in a particle universe. But we know that if we rip our body apart, put it together, it doesn't work. There's something missing. The soul. We pull a car apart, put the car together, and it works, but does not apply to the body. So there is something beyond the particle universe. The particle universe was formed in one explosion about 13.7 billion years ago, and we call it the Big Bang. Some interpretations suggest that nothing before the Big Bang wasn't truly empty, but a state from which the universe could emerge. The nothingness is not an absolute void, but a dynamic quantum vacuum filled with fluctuating energy and virtual particles popping in and out of existence. In string theory, which we talked about in the last episode, required at least 10 dimensions, or 9 dimensions plus time if you do not see time as a dimension. But they gave us 5 solutions to how the universe is formed, which is not good enough in the science world. The quest went on to find out if there's one formula, and they discovered there is, but it requires at least 11 dimensions or 10 dimensions plus time if you do not regard time as a dimension. This led to the theory of M theory, or brain theory, for short for membrane, which means the universe has a membrane right around it. Hence, the membrane separates the particle universe, which is our body and everything made from rocks and trees and things, to some energy out beyond the membrane, which could be the soul.